Hello, my name is Terp Neal. Here I am presenting this website I made for PDG Media. This is what it will look like when you log on, or when you open up the website. Here it'll show "Welcome to PDG Media. We create interactive, modern, eye-catching websites." It then allows you to click a button to go to what they do, what services they offer, or to contact. There's a little animation here. It doesn't when your mouse is over it, but when you take your mouse away, it's there. It moves, and the reason for this is because when your mouse is over something and you want to read something, but to go away, having this effect allows it for easier read, and then when you're done reading it, you can either click a button. So this part is for the small business marketing section they have. If you click this, it'll take you to that section, and if you click this button, it'll take you to contact. And then the arrow buttons here to go back and forth. And this call to action is for SEO, premium SEO, and SEM service marketing. So if we scroll down here, here's the header. This is what the home page will look like. So this is the home page. As you can see, it takes you right back to the top. About this, here it explains what, or sorry, here it explains about the company. The services they offer, each different service is in a different box. So graphic design, web development, social media, and web hosting. And then this is a small business shopping, or sorry, the small business section. And then below here is a brief information and a contact form that you can send to them. It is all mobile friendly, responsive. Sorry. It makes for easy accessibility on web pages. The code. Sorry. I'm gonna do this. So here in the code, we have our language, this generators, and which language this website is set in. We have this metadata here, setting the device or the width equals device width and an initial scale. Here these all here are links to the favorite icon, which is this icon up here. And this it also sets, so if you have this bookmarked on, say, an Apple phone, that's the icon that will show on your phone. And then we have our links to our CSS. Here we have the body, and we have the header with a role heading. And then we have this part here, the responsive slider, is for the slider at the top. Here we have, this is slide 2. And slide 3. Here we have the controls for the slider with roles button so that they are recognized as buttons. And area hidden is equal to true. So next is the navigation, which to each different section, each different section of the site. This is for here, this is the code for the navigation. So the second we have the main section, which is from the About Us all the way, sorry, from the About Us all the way to the small business section. This is the main information in the web page. And the role is main, so like screen readers and there's like no, or when, sorry, yeah, like screen readers know that that's what that is for. Next we have this section here is for the About Us. Down here is the links, the images for these logos. And then here's an image of the staff at Hometown New, or sorry, yeah, PDG Media. In the service section, we have a design section in a figure because it's an image, and then, or it has an image, and then the figure caption or the fig caption with a button with a roll button, so that it doesn't need to be, or so that the screen reader knows that that is a button. Every other one of these sections, they all have buttons with roles that are buttons. So we go down to the small business section, the image, the first image, right here, this one. And then we have the second image. This shops small and supports local businesses. And below here we have the logo again in black and white. And we have the contact information, which is this code section here. Contact form, which the area live is set to polite in this one. This is if the message is received or sent correctly, it'll pop up saying that we have received your message and contact you very soon. This here is for it's set to area error message, and then it with an ID not sent, which indicates this is what is being said it will, if your message doesn't send, it'll send the error message, and it'll say, oops, something went wrong. Please refresh the page and try again. And then we have a form footer. Yeah, the contact form in the footer. The first one is the name, a label with all form inputs have the ARIA required. This means that they can't just submit a blank form. The type email means that it has to have an @ sign in it, or it won't send. And then at the bottom, it's the copyright, links to jQuery and JavaScript. So yes, that's everything. Like I said, I'm going to show you these buttons. When you click this, it takes you to the About. If you take that, it takes you down to the Contact area. This is for convenience, like easy access for users. Same, if they come to the site knowing what they're looking for and they see that, that's what they're going to click. And this will automatically take you to the business section. That'll take you to the contact, and then this will take you to it'll take you to the services, because that's where the SEO and SEM are tagged. And when you click on these, it would take you to graphic design work they've done, or web design work you've done, like mini portfolios of each, or a bigger description on each section. Said the responsiveness, we live in a world with mobile, like cell phones and tablets everywhere. That's all you see anybody doing, is being on their little devices. So responsiveness is very important in that sense, and having a easy touchable nav bar and buttons is very important in cases like this. That's everything. Thank you for listening.